Hey friends, welcome back to Two Traveling Teachers. Today we're diving into something super important, how to sanitize your RV's freshwater tank and plumbing system. Whether you're just coming out of winter storage or you've noticed a funky taste in your water, sanitizing your system helps keep your water safe, fresh, and free of bacteria. Here's what you'll need: household bleach, not scented, a funnel, a clean water hose, a measuring cup, access to a fresh water fill, and some patience. Step 1. Calculating the bleach. You'll need 1/4 cup of bleach for every 15 gallons of freshwater tank capacity. For example, if you have a 45-gallon tank, that's 3/4 cup of bleach. Step 2. Adding bleach to the freshwater tank. Mix the bleach with a gallon or 2 of water first, then pour it into the fresh tank using a funnel. This helps dilute the bleach and distribute it evenly. Step 3. Fill the fresh tank. Now, fill your fresh tank completely with clean water. This spreads the bleach through the system. Step 4. Bypass the water heater. Before running bleach through your system, make sure your water heater is bypassed. You don't want bleach sitting inside the water tank. It could damage the tank lining. Step 5. Run the solution through the system. Turn on each faucet hot and cold until you smell bleach. Don't forget your outdoor shower if you have one. Step 6. Let the bleach solution sit. Now let the solution sit for 8 to 12 hours. If you're short on time, 4 hours is the minimum, but the longer the better. Step 7. Drain and flush. After the wait, drain your fresh tank completely. Then refill it with clean water and run all the faucets again until the bleach smell is gone. You may need to do this a couple of times. Optional step: sanitize the water hose. Want to go the extra mile? Soak your fresh water hose in a diluted bleach solution too. Just 1 tablespoon of bleach per gallon of water. And that's it. Your RV water system is now clean, fresh, and safe to use. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a tip from the Two Traveling Teachers. And tell us in the comments, how often do you sanitize your water system?